Becoming a Chief Technology Officer, CTO, typically requires a combination of education, experience, and specific skills. While there isn't a single defined path to becoming a CTO, here are some general steps you can take to increase your chances. 1. Obtain a relevant educational background. Start by earning a bachelor's or master's degree in a field related to technology, such as computer science, information technology, software engineering, or a related discipline. This will provide you with a solid foundation of knowledge. 2. Gain practical experience. Acquire hands-on experience by working in technical roles within the industry. Start with entry-level positions and gradually progress to more senior roles. This will help you develop a deep understanding of technology, gain industry insights, and build a network of professional connections. 3. Expand your technical skills. Continuously develop your technical skills and stay up to date with the latest advancements in your field. This could involve learning programming languages, understanding emerging technologies, and keeping abreast of industry trends. Specializing in areas such as cloud computing, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, or data analytics can also be beneficial. 4. Develop leadership and management skills. As a CTO, you'll be responsible for leading teams and making strategic decisions. Develop your leadership and management abilities by taking on roles with increasing responsibilities, such as team lead, project manager, or technical manager. Seek opportunities to lead cross-functional teams, collaborate with different departments, and hone your communication and problem-solving skills. 5. Acquire business knowledge. A successful CTO not only understands technology but also has a good grasp of business concepts. Familiarize yourself with areas such as finance, marketing, operations, and strategy. This knowledge will help you align technology initiatives with overall business objectives and make informed decisions. 6. Build a strong professional network. Networking is crucial for career advancement. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, participate in online communities, and connect with colleagues, mentors, and influencers in your field. Building relationships with professionals who can offer guidance, mentorship, or job opportunities can significantly boost your chances of becoming a CTO. 7. Pursue advanced education or certifications. Consider pursuing advanced degrees, such as an MBA or a master's degree in a specialized area, to enhance your business acumen. Additionally, industry certifications, such as those related to specific technologies or project management, can demonstrate your expertise and commitment to professional development. 8. Seek leadership opportunities. Look for opportunities to demonstrate your leadership abilities within your organization or through external projects. Volunteer for leadership roles, take on challenging assignments, and showcase your ability to drive innovation, manage teams, and deliver results. 9. Stay adaptable and embrace change. Technology is a rapidly evolving field, and successful CTOs need to adapt to new technologies and industry shifts. Be open to learning and exploring emerging trends, take on new challenges, and be willing to step out of your comfort zone. 10. Demonstrate strategic thinking. CTOs are expected to have a strategic mindset and the ability to align technology initiatives with overall business goals. Develop your strategic thinking abilities by understanding the needs of the organization, identifying opportunities for technological innovation, and proposing solutions that can drive growth and efficiency. Remember, the path to becoming a CTO may vary based on individual circumstances and the industry you're in. It's essential to remain dedicated, continuously learn, and seek out opportunities to grow both your technical and leadership skills.